Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial I will show you how to buy Uber sold with crypto. So basically guys, if we want to Uber website and we open that and we try to subscribe and to do whatever we want in this application, even in your phone, they will not give you the access to pay with your crypto in some areas. Of course it is possible in some areas. So for example, if you want to here, let's go here, let's write Uber payments method and we search. So we'll find that they only accept cards, PayPal, Venmo, and some digital wallets in some places. So they don't accept it in every single place. So what should I do in this moment when I can't really pay with my crypto card while I don't really have a cash in my wallet? So basically what you can do is just go to your phone or PC and search for Bitterfell or Bitterfree, and from here guys you just go to the search and find Uber. So here you will find every kind of Ubers, Uber Eats, Uber, whatever kind of Uber that you want and whatever amount of Uber balance you like to have. So you go to it, you press on it, and here is the description of it, etc. How you can pay Uber with Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. And there is like multiple options. So yeah guys, here is some reviews. So there is people using it, and actually you can purchase it as a gift card. You can buy a lot of stuff using this. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually buy your Uber with crypto. So this is how gift cards work. Enter the amount, pay with preferred coin, and that's it, and it will be ready to use. So yeah guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.